Even in the most difficult years of the war, Lifestylecamper continues to represent Ukraine in the global camper manufacturer market. My name is Julia, and you are on the Lifestylecamper channel. We are not stopping. We are developing our production and creating new models with which we can represent Ukraine abroad. And this year is no exception. We have developed and manufactured an absolutely new X-Rit, a compact off-road camper that combines off-road capability, autonomy, and full comfort. The body length is 3,806 millimeters and the width is 1,997 millimeters. At the same time, inside there is everything necessary for a full-fledged trip: a kitchen, an indoor shower, a toilet, 3 sleeping places, gas-electric heating with hot water, a lithium power system, and solar panels. The X-Rit has retained the main feature of the Lifestylecamper, a monolithic body with a Line-X coating, which ensures high strength and durability. But now all of this is in a compact format, whereas most similar campers are designed primarily for road travel. And most importantly, this year we are presenting the X-Rit at the Caravan Salon 2026 in Düsseldorf, one of the largest camper and caravanning exhibitions in the world. For Lifestylecamper, this exhibition is also special because it will be our 9th year as an off-road and VIP participant at Caravan Salon 2026. From August 28th to September 6, 2026, we will be waiting for you in Düsseldorf. Hall 16, stand 16, B78. This is another opportunity for us to show the world once again that a Ukrainian manufacturer is capable of creating a competitive world-class product. The Lifestylecamper X-Rit is a new camper created in Ukraine for travel anywhere in the world. Shortly after the exhibition in Düsseldorf, the X-Rit can be seen in Italy at the Salone del Camper 2026 from September 12th to September 20th in the city of Parma. This is a leading Italian exhibition dedicated to caravanning, motorhomes, and outdoor tourism. Next will be France, Provence, September 25th, 26th, and 27th, 2026. This is an exhibition dedicated to 4x4 vehicles, camping, caravanning, and travel equipment. And next will be the exhibition in the Czech Republic, Caravanning Brno 2026, which will take place from November 5th to 8th, 2026 at the Brno Exhibition Center in the city of Brno. This is a large-scale event dedicated to motorhomes, campers, trailers, and travel accessories. So we invite you to meet us at the exhibitions and see our new X-Rit in person. Ukraine continues to create. Ukraine continues to move forward, and Lifestylecamper continues to represent Ukraine to the world.